Online, I wanted response from all. Good. Nice. Let me share the screen. I hope online can see the screen too. Let's go here. Text, notepad. Let's go here. Let's start now. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you all? Fine. Nice. Now, before we start our course, let me introduce myself. Some people already knows me. My name is Prasad. I'm a full stack web developer, both mean and MERN stacks. I have 6+ years of, I think 7+ years of experience in the both industry and the training. And I'm currently working in Verizon. Have anyone heard of the company named Verizon? Not Amazon. No one? Very good. But it's a famous company. Okay. And I'm working there now. Good. If anyone don't know, it's not a big deal, but it's one of the famous USA one. Yeah, actually. Good. Now, so now our main logic here is I will just show you today. We will just interact with each other and I will know what you guys know and we will see what is React, what is this course structure, how much time it will take, what do we discuss in this course, like all your clear doubts and all things we will discuss today. It's not like the first day you will learn whole React. No, it will take some time. Is this clear, ma? Online, is this clear? Can we start? Yeah. Online, is this clear? Yes, yes, very good. Okay, welcome to all for React. To all for React. Cheers. Now, anyone, the first question, which is very simple, why React? You all came to React class, na? Can anyone tell me why do you came to React class? Why do you want to learn React? Why do you? Did you understand question? Why do you want to learn React? You can tell your own answers. There is no right or wrong answers. I'm not asking why React is used. In future, I will tell you why React is used. But our question is, let me frame it nicely. Why do you want to learn React? So React is a front-end JavaScript library. I know that. We will discuss that. Don't worry. I'm not asking the definition. Okay. Let's go with one honest answer, which is like industry demand online. Someone is saying it like they want to create better UI. Okay, not bad. Okay. Someone is going with single page applications. I'm not going technically. Actually, see, you guys are understanding something different. Some people are giving SPA single page applications and all. I'm not asking you, uh, kind of what is the use of React. No, I'm not asking what is the use of React. I'm asking why. तुमको क्यों फर्क पड़ता? Why you wanted to learn, right? तो रिएक्ट है सिंगल पेज एप्लीकेशंस का, एंगुलर भी है सिंगल पेज एप्लीकेशंस का. No, you came React class na, not Angular. Why? Which a question? Online, is it clear, ma? Online, did you understand question? Someone wants to master Someone wants to master in front end. Okay, master in front end. Not bad. That's a good logic. When compared to all front end language, React is simple. Who told? All are simple only. Okay, anyway, some people think it's simple and easy. What about offline? No one is trying to speak only. Can you all speak, ma? Is there any dumb people? No, na? Go on. Tell me, like, I will ask one by one. Last one. Yeah. Huh? Effective. So one day you thought it like, okay, I wanted to do effective applications. Then you came to React, right? Okay. Good. Effective. See, people are just trying to impress the people. I don't think so. I'm not asking about the use, any other. Come on, open up, guys. Any other? What about your first one? Huh? Future. Okay, someone is so honest. Good. Because it has good future. Why no one told answer like job? Why no one told it like job is like React? So many jobs are there. React contains. The the only reason which I believe mostly, the only reason which I believe mostly will be because of this. Imagine some people are saying it like creating better UI, master and front end, simple, easy. There is one language, there is one kind of thing, jQuery. It's very simple. It's too simple than the React. It also will create a better UI. It won't do SPA, but do you think people will learn that now? No. Imagine I created one nice language which is very easy. Okay, which is very easy, but they are not using, no one is using it. Do you think people will learn it? Imagine there are no jobs on it. Do you think people will learn? No. There are some languages like HTMX, there are some languages like Svelte, frameworks like Svelte. They are very easy. Too easy, then like in one day you can learn it. But still, companies are not using much. So jobs are not there. So students are not learning it. Right or not? Let's talk the facts. Online, are you getting my point, ma? Online, are you all getting my point? React contains so many jobs in the market because Meta, Facebook released this React in 2013 and made it as open source. Made it as open source. Not only now, it will have so much future also. Like from so long time people are using React and in future also they will use. I will tell you why. I will tell you why. Do you guys know AI, ma? Online and all you. Do you guys use AI? Tell me, like, did you guys tried any AI coding? Have you guys tried any AI tools for coding, ma? Tell me any one website which you used for coding. ChatGPT. Most people are going with. Not bad. Go here, ChatGPT. Create a counter app. Now, sir, when I said counter app, did I told everyone? I told counter app. Did I told which language to use? Did I told which language to use, ma? No. But see, here is a simple counter app built with React. Why it took React? Now take another logic. Go to Claude AI, Claude AI. Create a counter app. Now, see, I am creating a simple counter application using React. Bolo, any other AI which you know? Huh? Gemini. I don't think Gemini use React. Why? Because React is competitor actually to Gemini. Okay. But still, anyway, I will ask. Can you create a counter app? Counter app. Old Gemini may have done, but new Gemini is not much. Basic counter app. It's doing with something HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It's not doing React intentionally. Why? Because React is it's like kind of competitor, Google and Facebook kind of competition. Any other? Huh? Same logic. You see this logics. Create a counter. Oh, it's using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. But interestingly, sir, interestingly, you take it bolt.new or you take it lovable dot things, you take it any kind of AI. Either AIs simply they will do HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or if you wanted something bigger one, it will do it like React. Why it is not choosing the Angular? Why it is not choosing Vue? I think you know so many other things are there, na? Angular is there, Vue is there, or any other things are there, but it won't choose. Do you know why? Because React is a open source and it has huge community. That means lakhs of and lakhs of developers already made so much React code, and that all the React code is available in the internet in GitHub and all. So if AI is using that data, AI will easily make it. Imagine Angular. Angular has less community when compared to React. There are less codes when compared to React. There is less open source when compared to React. So if AI is using Angular, it will come with mistakes. So that's why AI is like, छोड़ दो anyway ये पूरा free है. So ये code understand करो. So it will understand mostly based on the React codes. So automatically it will come. But can you guys see any opportunity in this? Usually most people are not exploring this, but I have seen one opportunity. Imagine most people are nowadays freshers are don't know anything. Freshers are directly doing vibe coding. And they are directly asking the GPTs, they are taking the codes, they are pasting it there in the company. Imagine they are trying to do that. Anyway, AI is giving React code. And freshers and all are developing things then React only. Then in future so many errors will happen, so many problems will happen, and all problems will happen in React only na. And at that time, who will solve the people who solve these problems also React developers only na. So the demand will be there, and AI will not stop. It will increase. When it is increasing, the React will increase. Online, are you getting my theory, ma? Online, are you getting my theory? According to me, logically, it's mandatory. Okay. I think someone is asking one more time. I did not explain any concept, Ray. I'm just giving you. Okay. I'm just telling you this all because when AI is taking your time, when AI is doing the code in the React, in future, everywhere the React will be there. So automatically, you guys are professional. You guys will become professional in React so that you guys can solve problems left by other people. Imagine everywhere TVs are there, televisions. You know who will get the market? The people who sell television, the people who do repairs. Right or not? Imagine everyone is using television and you are a radio repairer. Will you get any work? If you are a radio repair guy and you everywhere people are using like kind of TVs, you will get anything? No. In my childhood, there used to be internet centers. 20 rupees internet. Everyone think that is the best thing in the world. Like they will get so much business. But later, everyone get a smartphone. Now no one is going to the 20 rupees internet. Mostly they are not. Do you think that will work now? No. Now who will get more demand? The people who kind of repair this particular phones and kind of one. In future, the people who knows React and can solve React in a bigger level will get more demand. I'm not talking about people who are like, sir, I will learn chota things. These people will not work. See, chota things AI can do. I want you guys to become something expert so that you can solve the problems in root level. Online, are you all getting my point? Online, are you all getting my point? Okay. Now, if you take out jobs, current industry, current industry expects more React developers, more React developers since vibe coding goes with React. Like vibe coding bole to AI coding goes with React. So mostly people are going with the React, 100%. It's a most demanding course now. Now, React is important to get the job. It's like the single path. Like, sir, imagine I don't know much about, kind of backend. I don't know much about Python. I don't know much about Java. I don't know much about .NET. I don't know much about databases. You don't need to know any bigger things. Only one thing you have to learn, which is React. Once you know React, everything you will get it. It's a mandatory skill. It's not like, kind of important or kind of optional. No, it's a mandatory. I'm sure. Is it clear ma online? अभी तक कोई डाउट है ऑनलाइन any doubts? No, very simple. Next, sir, in this course what you will learn? Let's discuss the course structure. I will explain your course structure. I am not telling you what is React. I am not telling you what is it used for. We are just learning the demand and then we are seeing course details. First, requirements. I want people to know HTML, CSS, JavaScript before. If Bootstrap is there, it would be optional. Nice. How many of you know HTML well? You can raise your hands at least. Do you guys know HTML well, ma? Good. Remaining people don't know HTML also. Is there anyone who don't know HTML? You did not raise it on both. Some people are not raised on both. No, don't know. Good. CSS? Good. What about JavaScript? It's like people have it like HTML, CSS is okay. JavaScript, very few people have. But believe me, you don't need to know complete JavaScript. You need to know basic JavaScript. Most of the front end is about how you will logically think. Programming is not about coding. Coding अलग है, programming अलग है. Programming बोले तो problem solving करना. You have to take one problem and solve it. JavaScript will think logically. But most people felt it too much. Why? Because they don't know basic logics. When you think logic, na, everything is fine. And in this course, I will tell you whatever the JavaScript basics. You don't need to know too much JavaScript, but basic is enough. Okay. Now, next. But sir, if I don't know anything in JavaScript, then this course is not for you. If you are zero knowledge, then this course is not. If you zero knowledge in HTML, no, not at all. You should learn first HTML, then CSS, then JavaScript, then React. This is the actual. So many people will start learning directly React also. They can do that. It's not a big deal, but it's like studying 10th class without some kind of 9th or 8th. Some people do that, but it's risky. It's kind of not good. Next, timings. The class starts with 9:10 to 15, and it will go on till 10:45 to 50. And we will have doubts or whatever you have it also, you can clear it out. We will clear it out every day, which is AM. And next, self course topics. First time we will have introduction. Today we will do some introduction on what is React, why do we need it, what is our course structure, what we are going to learn in the next time. I will tell you. Then tomorrow we will discuss on topic JS necessary concepts. Sir, to like some people knows JavaScript, some people don't know JavaScript. So what I will do is I will tell you some basic concepts of JavaScript. I will repeat some basic concepts of JavaScript tomorrow. Those concepts, if you learn, if you understand enough for React, instead of learning all the things again, whatever basic things which you need to focus, which I will explain it tomorrow. Next, after this, we will start our React, actual React. First React app. Installation. Next, we will discuss on after first React app, we will discuss folder structure. We will discuss after the folder structures, we will discuss here components, props, and context API. And then we will discuss hooks, state, effect, hooks, then routers, routing, then forms, then libraries, then Redux. This is a general list. Okay. This is a general list. In depth what we discuss, I will give you one PDF also before we start, or like once we get it our particular drive. I will give you a PDF also. I will give you PDF which contains complete React topic, whatever the topics we have. How it will do, one by one topic we will do it. Okay? Are you getting my point, ma? Online? Online, are you getting my point? I'm just giving you only headings now so that you will get an idea what is what. And later I will give you like once the drive or something classroom is created, I will post it like the whole PDF, which you can check it each and every point whether it's covered or not, or kind of thing. Now, not redux. Sorry, spelling mistake. Next, what is the duration? Duration of this course after demos or including the demos, it takes 30 to 40 days. We are in kind of first week of March, April. So mostly like by second week our demos will be over. Like we will start it full fledged, I think by Monday or something, Tuesday kind of thing. Once we started it full fledged, it will take it like kind of 30 to 35 days in between. So overall, like by third week of May next month, your course will be completed with complete project also. Okay. And it contains projects. We will contain 10 mini projects will be there. More than 10 will be there actually, but minimum 10 plus mini projects will be there. And we will do one major project, which is our final project. We will do one final project. What final project you will do, sir? We will do kind of OTT or e-commerce. We will do final project like e-commerce or OTT or some kind of open source library we will do. Open source library we will do. It depends at the time, whatever you guys wanted, we will try that. Any doubts? Anyone till now? Any questions you can ask me, like, sir, whether that thing will be there or this thing will be there. Like any other questions you have it also, you can ask. Online or offline? Online also. Like you have any question, like whether any other topics are included or something, you can ask. What about offline? Is it clear? Any questions? No. Good. अभी तक clear है. So this is our course structure. You needed to have HTML, CSS, JavaScript ka knowledge, which goes with certain timings, and introduction, JavaScript necessary concepts, installation, first React, folders, components, props, context, state, effect, hooks, routing, forms, libraries, Redux. I will also explain it like how this frontend is connected to backend. If anyone knows basic JavaScript, they will know that actually APIs will be there. For example, sir, I am a Java Spring Boot guy, or I am a .NET guy, or I am a Python Django guy. If you are Django or if you are Spring Boot, if you are kind of .NET, it doesn't matter to React. React knows only one thing. You should give one API link. Backend you will create the API link, and that API link will be connected to the front end one. Is this clear, ma? Okay. Now, next, someone is asking what is OTT. Seriously, OTT is like OTT apps, na? Like Netflix kind of. OTT is like a movie kind of one. Okay. Now, good, good. Next. Now, let's see what is what today. So, now I will tell you what is React, how it started, what is React, how it started, why most people are preferring React, how do these React codes will work. These basic things I will tell you. Okay. Now, first, now, good. If anyone have any query, you can tell me. Will you provide testing for front end? Yes, we will do testing actually. Testing is there. We will do unit testing. Any other doubts, Nikita? You can tell me. Any other doubts now? What is React? Do you guys know anyone in JavaScript? In JavaScript, do you guys know any libraries? Have you guys used any JavaScript libraries? No, like kind of slider library or kind of jQuery. No. Do you guys at least use the Bootstrap? Do you all use the Bootstrap ma? Now वो बोलो Bootstrap क्या है? Library means predefined. Yeah, predefined code will be there na. Bootstrap you don't need to define anything, right or not? Already a code hai. In Bootstrap, everything they will write it. You will attach their code. And what you will do on that point, you will give the class name. Automatically code will come. Right or not? Online, are you getting my point, ma? So already one structure and all will be there by default. That is a simple Bootstrap is like a simple CSS library. Same tara, same tara. React is also there. React is a React is a JavaScript library which is used to create single page applications. I will tell you single page application क्या है. Single page applications. Single page applications. React is a JavaScript library which is used to create single page applications. Okay. And 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 better user interfaces. User interfaces. What is it mean by single page application? Let me show you. For example, take it here, Amazon. Take it here, Amazon. Now you have Amazon sir here. In Amazon, you have so many links and all. Now everyone see this logic. Amazon website. Everyone observed it. I'm clicking here today's deals. See here today's deals I'm clicking on. When I click today deals, see page is loaded. Can you see page got loaded ma? Now okay. Let me click here customer most loved. Now when I click here, now his page is loading. Now his page is loading sir. Is it loading ma? नहीं, क्योंकि उसमें रिएक्ट है. Now in this page react is not there. This react is not there. Now when I go here, see react is there. When I go, Is it reloading the page, sir? No, sir. It should reload normally. Back in the days when web development is so good, like in some kind of 2005, 6, something kind of one, people will manually do this kind of thing. It's like they have to load. How it will work? For home, they will create one home.html. For fashion, they will create one fashion.html. For spring, they will create one spring.html. So whenever they go to fashion, a particular fashion HTML whole HTML page will load. When they go to spring whole HTML page will load. But is it loading now whole page? Is it loading now whole page? No, there comes to the React. There comes to the React or Angular or Vue. They call it as single page applications. What they call it, ma? Single page applications. How the single page applications will work? Imagine in a website, normal website. I will tell you normal website. In normal website, what will happen? Imagine I have 3 pages. 1, 2, 3. Something like for home page, it will have home.html. For about page, it will have about.html. For contact, you will have contact.html. This is how you will do HTML code na? Online. Do you all know this, ma? Do you all know HTML na? At least HTML में रहता है simple. Three HTML files are there. If you click about HTML will come. If you click contact HTML will come. If you click home HTML will come. Is the HTMLs are changing or not? Is the HTML changing or not? Everyone, is the HTML are changing, ma? Are you all getting, sir? Yes. HTMLs are changing because it is normal website. In normal website, they change, sir. So, what single page applications, what they will do, how the single page applications will work, whether Angular or React, everywhere, same concept. They will create one page only. They will create one page called index.html. They will create one page called index.html and they will create it 3 things: home, about, contact. Home, about, contact. Imagine someone click on a home page anchor tag. If someone click on a home page anchor tag, here one HTML file is there, index.html. Now, if someone click home page, then only home page will go to the index.html. If someone click the about will come to the index.html. If anyone clicks the contact will goes to the index.html. Now everyone tell me how many HTML files are there in second application? How many HTML files? Online also please respond, ma. How many HTML files are there in second application? One. In that one page only, in that one HTML page only, multiple files are coming. See, here I have only one page. When I click home, in that jaga home is coming. When I click toys, in that place only toys are coming. When I click beauty, in that place only beauty is coming. Right or not? Online, are you getting my point, ma? And that is why they are called single page applications. That's why they are called single page applications. They don't reload. Single page applications will not reload. Why they are not reloading? Because there is no another page. Only one page. So inside that page only everything happening na. So reload का जरूरत क्या है? When you are going new page, you will reload. But they will think it like I'm in the same page only, so they don't reload. Take it here, Gmail. For example, I will open my Gmail. Now in this Gmail, page is loaded. I click here, starred. Oh, sorry. Let me load it here. See, now see, already loaded. Now see, inbox, starred, snoozed, sent, drafts. When I go here, is it reloading here? See here, everyone. Is it reloading there? No, sir. It's not reloading, sir. तो क्योंकि वो single page application है. Because Gmail is also single page application using Angular. It is not a React. When I go to React official website, see here, I'm going different pages na. I'm getting different content na. But when I'm getting different content, is it reloading? Is it reloading? No, because it is single page application. Is it clear, everyone? Single page application क्या है? No, good. And how it works also. Understand practically. Slowly, if you understand practically, in interview you can rock it. Now, good. Next. Where are we? This. Single page applications and better user interfaces. Every library will have a purpose, ma. React ka main purpose is this single page applications and better user interfaces. If you want any other thing, it will not work. Now, next one. Next one. React is developed by Meta. Do you know Meta, ma? Facebook का parent company, Meta, in 2010. But it is used internally and got it open sourced in 2013. Sir, basically React developed in long kind of 2010 only, but only Facebook is using it inside the Facebook. No one outside, no one knows what is React. But in 2013, this they changed with something in that React and they made it like open source. That means anyone can use it. Now all the people started to using it because of its easiness. Now when everyone is using it, it became popular. Simple. Okay. Now React uses components React uses components to build interfaces. In React, everything is done with a component. We will discuss in detail what is component, but component is like one building block. It's like in HTML, I write one paragraph. Everyone tell me. I write one paragraph, something I write. Now, again, I wanted to write another paragraph. Again, I have to write now. If I want one more paragraph, again, I have to write now. Instead of writing one code multiple times, usually in JavaScript or programming, you will put them in a loop. Right or not? Similarly, You can take one particular HTML code. You can take it a particular HTML code like a function. Do you know what is function, ma? Do you guys know what is function? What is the main use of function? Anyone tell me? Reusability. Correct. The main use of function is reusability. You create one function add. तो वो add function 10 times call करो कुछ नहीं होता. Same way, imagine someone created one paragraph. This paragraph or something I wanted to use multiple times. Then I can use something called component. Component that is reusable UI code. Component is a component is a reusable UI code. In future, we will discuss what is component in detail, but it's a basic logic in component. Any doubts till now? Online, any doubts till now? No. Good. Next, let's go with some industry myths. First, some people will ask me this question. Is React and React native are same? No. React is used for React is used for web applications, web applications or websites, web pages, web pages. React Native is used for mobile applications. React Native is used for mobile applications. React is used for web applications or websites, and React Native is used for mobile applications. Any doubts, ma? No. Most people will think they are same. No, they are not. The code looks the same. Like if you know React Native, you can learn it in some kind of one day, which is not, kind of difficult. If you learn React and wanted to become mobile app developer, you can do it immediately. Like within 1-2 days, you can learn it the React Native. It's not a big deal. Now, another question mostly I will get, which is better, React or Angular? The difference. First of all, React is developed by React is developed and maintained by and maintained by maintained by React is developed and maintained by Meta, and Angular is developed and maintained by Google. React Native, both mobile and web applications, or only web application. Sorry, only mobile. React Native only for mobile. React is for only web. You cannot combine them. Okay, online. React is developed and maintained by the Meta, and Angular is maintained by the Google. React follows. React follows simple component architecture. Angular follows MVC architecture. Can anyone tell me what does it mean by MVC? Like, if anyone C sharp people are there or things you will know. What does it mean by MVC? Do you guys know? Even in your Spring Boot Java or something kind of you will get it. Model view controller. There are different ways of programming. One of the way is having the architecture of MVC. It's like a nice folder structure they will give. Model view controller. They will separate the model logic, they will separate the view logic, they will separate the controller logic. And React, React is a library, and Angular is a framework. What is the difference between library and framework is library is used for a specific purpose. Take it Bootstrap. In Bootstrap, you do animations? Nahi. Bootstrap will do only class names for basic UI. Bootstrap will not do any animations. Bootstrap will not give any kind of hovering effects. Okay. If you wanted to do any kind of those things, Bootstrap will ask you to write it on your own CSS. Okay. Or basically, it contains for only a specific purpose, libraries means. But in React, imagine I wanted to do a nice form. That form has to be taken by another library. Imagine in React, I want routing, like one page to another page I want to go. I need to download another library. In React, I want some kind of animations. Again, another library you can go. But Angular, if you want anything, all the things will be with you by default. It's like a laptop where your CPU, where your keyboard, mouse, everything combined in laptop only. Directly you will get. Okay. But React is like separately PC. In your home, you will set your PC na. Does anyone have PC at their home? Huh. Those people who have PC, they will know. They can take it like big monitors. They can take separate monitors, separate keyboards, separate mouses. So if one day they get bored, they will change that only mouse and they get a gaming mouse. One day they wanted something better CPU, only CPU they can change. One day they want better keyboard, they will change only keyboard. If keyboard is problem, only keyboard they can change. But laptop में ऐसा facilities नहीं रहता. If you want to change the mouse of the laptop, either you have to connect external mouse, but you can't change that internal one, which is there. Because it's integrated with all. Online, are you getting my point, ma? Online, are you all getting my point? That is called framework. Everything will be there by default with you. Okay. Now, next. Next one. Next one. So we discussed what is React. We discussed React and React Native ka difference. We discussed Angular and React ka difference. So if someone asks you which one is better, there is no choice there. Okay, React is having React work, Angular is having Angular thing. Both follows different mechanisms. You should not compare them like that. In industry, most of the freshers think like this only. Sir, I want to learn React, or do I have to learn Angular? Which one will have more future? There is nothing called. If anyone tell you market is low for something, market is high for something, actually there isn't anything like that. See, for example, in the industry now React is there, but still so many people uses Angular also. Do you know most of the companies still use PHP? In institute they will not teach you PHP, but most of the companies are using it still. Do you know that? Senior developers use it. It's because whatever others tells you that this one is better than that one, that is only that present moment. And never try to get it tricked by that. In tomorrow, maybe React will become low and the Angular will become high. We don't know. Okay, but as per the now, React is the top one. And easy perspective, if you are a C sharp guy, if you are a C sharp guy or a .NET C sharp or .NET guy, Angular is so easy for you. If you are Java guy, Angular is so easy for you. If you are Python guy, if you are a Python guy or normal kind of JavaScript guy, React is easy for you. Is it clear? Next, next one, next one. For Java, React, see, I'm telling that is what I'm telling. Online again, people are saying it. For Java, React is not good. For Angular, Python is not. For Python, Angular is not good. There is no rule like that. Java people uses Angular, Java people uses React also. What I told you is the statement for Java people, React is easy. Why? Because Java uses classes. Sorry, not React, I'm sorry. Angular is easy. Why? Because Java uses Angular, Java uses classes, na? You guys know, if anyone knows Java, Java everywhere you will use class, class, class. Angular also uses classes everywhere. So people will find it easy. In Python, people uses everywhere functions. Instead of classes, people uses functions. React also everywhere functions. So React is easy for Python people. It's not like, oh, React means Python means React, Angular, Java means Angular. Nothing like that. Java have good applications with React. Java have good applications with Angular also. Same thing goes with .NET. Same thing goes with Python. Is it clear? Are you all getting my point, ma? Now, good. By the way, does anyone know any other language? Like anyone knows Angular already? What is what or something? No? Okay. Nice. Good. Some people in the online knows already Angular. That would be better then. Okay. But whatever you are going to learn here, they are completely different from it. If you don't know also, that's fine. It's not necessary. I'm just giving you. Next. What are the of advantages of React? Advantages of See again, someone why the Java full stack is going with the React or then Angular. It depends, Ray. When people divide these courses, they use it industry standards. For example, some Python people we will have a full stack course with Angular. Some Java people we will have a full stack course with the React. I'm not saying it's not necessary. I'm saying it. वो Angular है तो easy रहता. But still, Sometimes React is necessary for the industry, so people will divide the course it like Java with the React. Or sometimes Angular is necessary for Python, so they will divide the program like Java with the Python with Angular. Never try to fix it like Java, Angular, Python, React. ऐसा fix नहीं हुआ. Is it clear? Online, is it clear, ma? Especially Vignesh, is it clear? Now, advantages of React. React का uses क्या है? Sorry, advantages क्या है? In React, it's very efficient code. Efficient. I'll pay for call stack, full stack Java. I don't know, ma, whether this particular course is for full stack Java people or Python people, .NET people. I don't know that. You need to ask the admin for that. Online Nikita, you can ask the admin for that. You will get it here. Okay. React uses, React uses, we will discuss this in future also. Don't worry. React uses virtual DOM, virtual DOM. React uses virtual DOM. React uses virtual DOM to make code more efficient, more efficient. And what is that virtual DOM? I will tell you. Don't worry. Components. React follows component based architecture, component based architecture. So React uses, React follows component based architecture. So we can create simple components and reuse them multiple times, multiple times. Reuse them multiple times. Good. Efficient components. After this, React JSX. These are the advantages of React. We will just see so that it will work. React uses simple format called JSX, JavaScript extensible, extensible to make code easy to write. Right. We will discuss what is component. We will discuss what is JSX. We will discuss what is virtual DOM. Like in future, don't worry. Last but not least, easiness. Easiness. React is Relatively easy. Relatively बोले तो if I compare it with any other thing. Relatively बोले तो if I compare it with any another thing. Relatively easy when compared with the angular or view. View. Angular or view. Last but not least, last but not least, large community. There are lot of developers, lot of developers. There are lot of developers who uses React. There are lot of developers who uses React. So it's easy to catch up the worries using the communities, using the communities. Next, now, so what are the advantages of React when compared with other things? So many people are using the React, which is large community. You can divide your UI into smaller parts, which is called uh, components. You can write it a nice structure of JavaScript, which is called JSX. And whole code of React is very easy to learn, which is called easiness. Is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Till now, any doubts? Till now, any doubts? No, no. Good, good. Next. Always remember this when you are learning any programming or any kind of tool. Imagine someone told it like for example, imagine someone told one new library came, or someone told it like some new browser came, someone told it like a new thing came. Automatically, you should not do it. Automatically, you should not learn. You are a fresher. So you should learn something which has huge community because more number of people will help you if you get any error. Imagine one language is there, which is like no one is using, or one tool is there, one browser is there, no one is using. I downloaded that browser, very few people are using. If I downloaded that browser or something happened to me in that browser, if I check in internet, I cannot find solution. The reason I cannot find it because there were not many people who are doing it. Okay. Now, so that's why people will use any languages which are having, or languages or tools which are having high community. Okay. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts? No. If you get any doubts, you can mention it in the comments. On the last day, like once the session is over, at that time, I will even give online unmute so that you can speak. Is it clear, ma? Good. Now let's discuss what is this component and how they will work. Now see, here you are seeing something called when life gives you tangerines. So it's like one particular in HTML. Tell me, if you are writing HTML code, if you are writing HTML code, how do you write this? Imagine you are writing HTML code. How do you write it? I will put one div, sir. I will put one div. Inside the div, img tag, and I will use some title, some kind of h2 or paragraph tag. Is it clear or not? That only will do na. One div के अंदर image, div के अंदर title. That is what the HTML code. What if the second one? See the second one. Second one is also same na. Third one is also looking same na. Fourth one also looking same na. Sir, all elements are looking same only, sir. Do we write it every time div? Is it like 20 elements are there? Amazon have 1 lakh products. Do you think they will write it each one div one product name, again div another product name, div another product name? Do you think they will write it like that? No. Instead, what they will do, they will be like, take this whole thing, one image, one paragraph, and send this into, once you have this whole thing, okay, the image, the div, the whole, they will take all the values and send it to one function, and next time onward, same process repeated for this, same process repeated for this, same process repeated it for that. So it's like when you are building something, when you are constructing a building, how you will put it the blocks. Okay, how you will put set up blocks. Similarly, when you are creating a web page, even the smallest part is also can be considered as a component, because that smallest value can be repeated again and again and again. Online, is it clear? Online, is it clear? Yes. What about any other doubts, ma? What about any other doubts? Like take it here, YouTube. I will show you any other have doubts. YouTube. I will type it here, Tom and Jerry. Now here, can you see here one pattern? Everyone see one pattern is there. Left side, one div is there. Left side, some image is there. Right side, some title is there. And then below, some kind of views are there. And years is there. Then below, profile is there. If you see, same code will be repeated for all. Same code will be repeated for next Tom and Jerry also. Next Tom and Jerry also. All will look like same. All will look like the same. Left side some image, right side some title and all. So one particular HTML code which is repeating again and again and again is called component. Is called component. Online कोई doubt है माँ? No doubts. Very good. Next, sir. Now you guys understood what is React 1. Now what are the tools you need for this course? For this course, everyone should download and install Download and install install download and install VS Code. Banu, in Angular we don't use reuse components. So what? I think Banu don't know Angular. In Angular also we use reuse components only. Components definition same hai. Do you all have VS Code in your system already? If anyone is not having it, have it. Second, download and install download and install download and install Git. There is one software called Git. Why do we need this Git and all? We will have a Git and GitHub session. Don't worry. At that time, I will tell you. And but the basic things which I needed you to have download, no need to download. Create an account in GitHub, GitHub. Create an account in GitHub. These were the basic things which I can go on. Like if you are VS Code people, you will use live server or something extensions. No need. React, how it will work and how it will do, and all we will discuss, sir. Okay. Is Node.js needed? Yes. You need to download and install the Node.js also. Download and install the Node.js. This much is necessary. Simple. That's it, sir. Why Node.js? What do we do with Node.js and all? We will discuss later. Don't worry. Okay. We will discuss when we are doing our first React project, which is like day after tomorrow. Tomorrow we will discuss on what are the JavaScript concepts you need for React. What are the JavaScript concepts we need for React? We will discuss in tomorrow's one. Like we will discuss what concepts you need to know, like map, filters, or conditional operators, or we will discuss fetch, promise, async await. We will discuss on these things. Is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Any doubts? Online, any doubts? No. No. So let's revise. What did we discuss today? I will tell you what is the use of Node.js later. Don't worry. I will tell you Node.js ka use later. Try to download and keep it here. Now, good. Why do you want to learn React? Most of the things people are saying different things, but mostly we all want a job, so that the job is requiring React, so we are going for it. Now, core structure. It contains a basic code structure. Now here, introduction, JS necessary concepts, which is like tomorrow. Then we will do installation first app in the third day. Then next we will discuss folder structures. We will discuss components in depth. What is a component? What is functional component? What is class component and all? We will discuss something called properties. We will discuss props kya hai, how to send properties from parent to child, child to parent, and how do you do like prop drilling concept. And we will come up with something called context API. What is context API? What is use state? Those things we will discuss. And we will also discuss what is state, what is its effect, and we will also discuss hooks. We will also discuss routing, and we also discuss forms, libraries, and Redux and Redux toolkit. Redux toolkit. That's it. And last but not least, course will take it like 30 to 40 days. We discussed what is React. We discussed difference between React and React Native, React and Angular, and advantages of React. Any doubts, ma? Online, is it clear? Online, is it clear? Yeah. That's it for today, ma. And we'll meet tomorrow for further ones. Online one, if anyone have doubts, you can raise your hand so that I can give you a chance to speak. You can leave ma offline. Queries. Which query? SQL query. No, it's a Frontend. Queries. That query is different. This query is different. Huh? Mostly it will be done by 10:30. After 10:30, we will do the yeah. If you can leave, you can leave. Maybe because I said bandit. Yeah. Now, good. Yeah, good. Online one, please let me know whoever wants to speak.
Hi, sir. My name is Chintan.
Hello?
Yeah. Hi, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, tell me.
Yeah. So, are you providing notes for each topic, sir?
Yes, I will provide the notes for each topic, but not now. Like once we get it some kind of Google Drive or Classroom, I will provide it.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Yeah. Thanks, sir.
Any doubts? Any other person? Any other person doubts, ma'am?
Audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, tell me.
Yeah, like we have seen here components, sir. So is it the same components we are calling in Angular, or this is different?
This is the same thing in Angular also. Angular also you can reuse, but here
Because
also you can reuse.
we will be having four files like template URL and component.ts spec file and
Right.
CSS or SCSS. Those all files will be there here for a component.
No, here for a component only one file will be there. But component the main
Okay.
use how many files are not there is not mandatory. In component
Okay,
the
okay.
main uses, like for example in Angular you have a component book. You can use app dash book, app dash book, app dash book 10 times also. So that 10 times the book will come. Same thing will happen in React also, but they follow different procedure.
And one more thing, sir, like in Angular, we if you want to use any data or methods or anything in other components, we will just inject using dependency injection that component, or we will be
Right,
using parent-to-child communication.
right,
Here
right.
also the same or different.
No, no, no need. Here we don't have anything
So
kind of services topic
yeah,
only. Yeah.
yeah, that is the thing, sir. So you have mentioned like here components meaning is reuse of UI, right?
Right,
Reuse of UI code for components. So
right.
we don't use UI code reusing in Angular, right? So just
In
we will
Angular,
be using
no,
some.
no, in Angular also imagine I created one div. That div is one
Mhm.
component, like app dash book. In that one div is there. If I write app dash book two times div will come na.
Okay.
That means you are reusing na.
Okay, that thing also I can consider as reusability.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'll come offline once and I have some doubts. I'll personally
Sure,
will
sure, no
get
worries.
to know.
Sure.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Any other have doubts? That's it for today. Thank you all.
కష్టపడి చేసుకున్నారు కష్టపడి అదే చేసుకున్నారు మరి వాళ్ళేమో ఆయన తీసుకుపోయి వేసాడు కదా